you don't have to break the bank to look expensive. Keep watching for style rules I live by. They're really easy and affordable for you to start implementing today to make any outfit look elevated, chic, and most importantly, expensive, baby. 3-colour rule is a massive important way of making your outfits instantly look more expensive. You will see on one side of the screen me in an outfit full of lots of different colours. It just looks a bit jumbled, a bit scatty, versus the other side where I've stuck to the 3-colour rule. So this just basically means you don't wear more than 3 colours in your outfit. You can wear different shades of the same colour, but you just don't wear more than 3 colours, even including your accessories, so your handbag and your shoes. A similar rule is also to think about sandwich dressing when you're putting your outfit together. Talking about this actually just makes me hungry, but no, it is not something that you're going to eat after you've worn it. It is literally making sure that you sandwich your outfit. So whatever colour you're wearing on the top, for example, I'm wearing black today, you would match it with what you have on the bottom, so i.e. your feet. So I would have a black blazer on the top, black shoes on the bottom, and then I could wear a different colour or a print in the middle of my clothing, and the 2 different colours brings it together. You could even take it as far to be black sunglasses and black shoes. That would again be sandwiching, because what you have on the top you have matched at the bottom, or you could match your top half and what you're wearing with your handbag accessory. So just making sure that you incorporate those colours, it really again brings the outfit together. Wearing smart and casual together is another way to instantly make any outfit look expensive. So for example, you could be wearing a tracksuit, but to make your tracksuit look more put together, more expensive, you would throw over a more formal coat. So a tracksuit with a structured long coat looks really effortless and chic. Likewise, you could pair a hoodie underneath a blazer. So you take your workwear as well. You could wear trousers with trainers. This is something I especially love to do, is wearing a suit in the day but dressing it down with trainers, and this really does look chic and expensive. Makes any casual outfit just look that little bit more elevated. Layering is your friend. So layering doesn't need to be complicated. You don't have to try and put all your clothes on at once like Joey from Friends. It literally means adding a little bit of interest to your outfit, which could just be wearing a tank top underneath a shirt with it slightly unbuttoned. That's a simple way of layering. Makes your outfit look a little bit dimensional, add some interest. You could mix the textures of what you're wearing. Again, building on, say, a ribbed vest top with a cotton shirt over the top. You could pop a blazer over this, and then again over the top of that you could pop a sweater scarf. I absolutely love the trend of popping a sweater over your shoulder. It brings a slight preppy vibe, again makes your outfit look more elevated, put together, expensive. Just words you'll hear me saying over and over again, but that's what all these tips will do. They will elevate your outfit, they'll make your outfit look more expensive. Look after your clothes. So make sure you are washing them on the right setting, you're drying them properly, you are ironing them on the right setting, all the obvious things. I would suggest investing in a steamer. Don't even need to be expensive. It's such an easy way to do shirts, especially because they crease so easily. Also, get yourself a lint roller, a debobbler, so you can easily take bobbles off knitwear or even wool coats that can make them just look a little bit worn and scruffy. But just these tiny extra steps to look after your clothes really make a difference in your overall appearance. You look put together, more expensive instantly. Also, like your clothes, you're going to want to keep handbags and shoes also in good nick, because are you going to walk around in scruffy, muddy, dirty trainers if you are a little bit rich and expensive? No, you're not. You're going to be clean and polished, especially with white trainers. You want them to be white because that really elevates the outfit. So grab some baby wipes. That's literally what I do. I pinch my 10-month-old son's baby wipes and I wipe my shoes. So I tend to have some by the front door. So when I come in from being out in my shoes, I just give them a quick wipe over, and it just ensures that they're looking crisp and clean and oh so expensive. Accessories are important, so do not forget to accessorize your outfit because it completely changes what you are wearing. So by accessories I mean add a pair of sunglasses, instant cool tick check. Especially black sunglasses, and they don't have to be expensive either. I know Under the Stories do an amazing pair of cat eye black sunglasses. They look very Celine-esque. Also as well, your jewellery. Layering jewellery adds interest to your outfit. You could be wearing a plain jeans and t-shirt, or simply by adding, say, layered necklaces or a chunky hoop, it instantly elevates the outfit. It looks like you've put thought into what you're wearing rather than just chucking on a jeans and a t-shirt. Hats again. Caps are a massive trend at the moment. I do love a cap, and I do think actually it makes the outfit again look a little bit more extra than without the cap. So try mixing high and low as well with your capping as well. Also a belt. A belt is a godsend for enhancing your figure, for your silhouette, for bringing in coats and blazers especially. I love belting a blazer. I just think leather pants, blazer, put a belt on it, and it just looks that little extra again. And play with your accessories, have a play around, but obviously don't load too many things on at the same time. We don't want to do sunglasses, cap, chunky chain, chunky bracelet, big belt. Just kind of selectively pick your accessories that will elevate that outfit that you're wearing. And my last style rule for making any outfit look expensive is from good old Coco Chanel. Before you leave the house, look in the mirror and take one thing off. So less is more, people. Less is more. Just like with all the rules I've mentioned, you don't want to whack everything on at once because that's just going to be a little bit of an overload. Expensive outfits tend to be more on the minimal side. They tend to mix casual and dressy. They tend to not have more than 3 colours. They tend to colour sandwich. They tend to just have extra attention to detail, whether that's your necklace, your lipstick, your nails. Like I said, in all those tips that you've seen here. So you can easily make any outfit look expensive. It doesn't have to cost the earth. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will leave some videos on the screen if you want to watch some more from me, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.